Hi students, in this video we will discuss maximum of two numbers using function with arguments. Now here first I will declare function with arguments and no return type. So here the name of the function is max. Then I am declaring two variables as arguments as a and b. So void max int a comma int b. So here void represents it will not return value. Name of the function is max and it will take two parameters as x and a and b. The first parameter will be stored in a and the second parameter will be stored in b. Now here let me define the function void max of int a comma int b. Now here in the function definition directly you can check if a is greater than b, then display the message printf %d is big. That is a's value will be displayed onto the screen. Then suppose if a greater than b is false. If it is false means if a is not greater, alternate which is there, b is there. Then display the message printf %d is big. %d is b, that is b value will be displayed on screen. Now so from the main program, so instead of giving the fixed values, I want to accept two numbers from the user int a comma b. Accept these two numbers from the user, that is enter a value and store that value in a variable called scanf %d comma ampersand a. Store that value in a variable called a. Here let me place this scanf here. Similarly I want to accept for b value. For b value, so here you can write printf enter b value scanf %d comma ampersand b. Okay, now a and b I have accepted from the user. Okay, so or you can write so in the next line also you can place not an issue. Now while calling the function, then sum of, sorry not sum, what is that, maximum, max of a comma b. Now if you observe one very important point, so this a and b belongs to main function. This a and b, both a and b's are different. This a and b is different. For this a and b, memory will be allocated in main function. For this a and b, memory will be allocated inside the max function. The scope of this variable is inside the main function. The scope of these variables is inside the max function. But while calling, the a value will be the actually here a value of a will be copied to this a. The value of b will be copied to this b. The value of b will be copied to this b. Then among the two numbers, greatest number will be displayed on screen. So maximum of those two numbers will be displayed onto the screen. Now let us check, save this program. So F6. Now compile and run this program. Now you can see enter a value 44, b value 55. 55 is big. This will be displayed onto the screen. This is function with arguments. So the function definition will receive the values, then it will process on the values passed by the user. Okay, this is maximum of two numbers using functions. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.